Welcome back. In this video, as you can see, two same monitor align on this video. So what I will do today, both monitor has two different issue. This monitor has this plastic back cover is broken, and this monitor screen is damaged, is not giving power. So I decided to change this back cover into this good screen monitor. I will remove this back cover and transfer this back cover into this. So let's see how this help. Before you do anything, make sure you remove all sort of power cable, otherwise it's a little bit dangerous. So I'll leave the inner side. First we will try to remove this. So what we have to do, just cover this. We done this, we will need something like this to go around. We have to be careful with this as we go all the way around. Almost done. Because this come off, so we're not doing much, we just leave that. Now we'll take off this broken part. We have to remove this connection, so then we'll able to remove this plastic cover. So after removing this USB connection, we will leave on the side. Now we need to go through the good cover. We'll remove that too. So we've done that too. Now we have to remove this back as well. Okay, same, this one has some connection as well. There we go. Now we remove this. So this is the bad screen. We'll put it on the side. we just need to connect this. Sorry guys, you will miss how we're gonna connect. There you go. This connection done. Hope you can see. So time to align. Slightly push down. Here you go. This is how I fix that. Thank you very much. So that's how I fix it. There's no broken plastic cover. So it's turned into a good monitor. So thank you very much for watching this video, and just to remind you, if you want to try this, make sure try your own rigs. You might make damage on your screen, or you can break some clips, or if you try, it's your own rigs. Thank you very much for watching.